Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is one of the most exclusive G-Wagons in the world. It is a V12, so only 10 in the world. So in this video I will show you the full exterior, all details, the interior, and we will listen to the sound of this 900 horsepower 6-liter engine. So let's first start here with the front, where you can see this additional layer on the hood, which is fully carbon fiber, and it also says Brabus here in the start. Furthermore, fully blacked out design, and it is specially ordered with blue accents, so 2 lines in the front, and the Brabus emblem also has some nice blue accents inside. Special 24-inch forged wheels by Brabus, black shadow design, and here you can also see the blue brakes. And the G-Class doesn't have ceramic brakes because it is not a good thing for off-road driving. Dirt is not good for ceramic brakes, so it has these special AMG Brabus brakes. On the side you can also see the Brabus GM² 900 emblem with a V12 900 on the side, so that means it has 900 horsepower. Furthermore, into the side it has the very characterizable G-Class line, which almost indicates how deep it can go underwater. Just remind 70 centimeters. And beautiful blacked out windows with blacked out chrome parts. You can also see, special for Brabus, the LEDs on the door side when you open the door. And beautiful exhaust tips. And moving over to the rear, you can also notice again the massive 24-inch monoblock platinum design wheels. And yes, it doesn't have a spare tire in the rear, they removed it for the G900. It has beautiful, very wide side bumpers with carbon fiber and the very characterizable tail lights for the G-Wagon. Very small compared to this large Geländewagen. On the top here, a spoiler, fully carbon fiber with the Brabus emblem. And yes, it doesn't have a spare tire as we are used to of the G-Wagon, but it does say in carbon fiber Brabus in the rear, and that's also what makes this G900 very noticeable. Moving more to the rear, you can notice the Brabus lettering fully blacked out, with on the other side the GV12 and 900 in red. And one advantage of not having the spare tire is of course the rear visibility improvement. It saves a lot of space over here. So let's have a look inside, and I will start with the trunk. Because as you can see, it is fully in leather upholstery with blue accents inside. And there you can see the magnificent interior with the MAYBACH style clocks on the ceiling in the center. So let's close it. And I will show you the interior, and we will start with the driver's side. Nice soft closing door sound for the G-Wagon. So let's press the button for the electronics to work. Over here you can see AMG lettering invitation screen. And let's press the button again for fully activation of the electronics. I really love the interior of the G900. It is in a fully bright leather upholstery. And everything that is not leather is carbon fiber. For example, the center console, and also the special hand grab, which says 1 out of 10 in carbon fiber and leather details, with beautiful turbine style air vents. And yes, it is only 1 out of 10, and the customer specially ordered it with blue accents in the exterior and interior. Here on the steering wheel you can see a flat bottom with carbon fiber and blue emblem down here, also on the top. It says here Brabus, and it has leather on the sides. And the shift pedals are also fully carbon fiber. So right here you can see that you have different axles that you can press for driving off-road. But I really want to emphasize the engine, the sound. It belongs on the Autobahn, and if not in the city. So let's start the engine and we will listen to the sound. It doesn't have the AMG dynamic select switcher on the steering wheel, but you have to select it with the button down here, dynamic select. And I in some way like that it doesn't have it on the steering wheel, because normally you would accidentally press it while driving. And in this way it is a little more luxurious than having it on the steering wheel. So let's press the button to start and listen to the 6-liter V12 engine with 900 horsepower. Let's go. Sport Plus. So as you can hear, it sounds like a very big lion, very aggressive, and that's why I really love the V12 engines. So in front of us you can see the Brabus design of this cockpit. One downside is that it still says V8 bi-turbo that needs to be replaced with V12 bi-turbo. And here you have your screen in the center console with the navigation. So guys, let me know, where are you from? Currently we are in the Netherlands. The map is not installed for Europe, because this car is heading for the Middle East. On the sensor console you can notice the blue lines, and inside also fully blue, amazing leather. And the combination with the ambient lighting in blue is amazing. Beautiful seats with the Brabus emblem on the headrest, and also fine leather emblem with beautiful perforation. At the passenger legroom you have this nice Brabus etiquette in fully leather, and also storage space with blue inside. Amazing. So now I'm very curious seeing the rear seats. So guys, right now we are in the amazing rear seats of the G900. And there you can see also fully bright leather upholstery with nice MAYBACH like clocks on the ceiling, which says Brabus in the center. This is very luxurious, and you can also lift this headrest so you have more space for your head and back, and then you can really feel the space in the interior. The head space is enormous, also because of this slightly upwards moving ceiling, and you have nice air vents on the side. Heated seats, carbon fiber on the door side with Brabus emblems. Very fine leather. Of course, again, blue accents. Some cup holders. Brabus emblem on the headrests. And yes, the full floor mats are also fine leather. It has the thermometric air vents, so you can control the temperature here in the rear. So now I'm very curious by having a look under the bonnet. So guys, let's go. So let's have a look at what is under the bonnet of the G900. Massive bonnet with an additional carbon fiber layer. And there you can see a very special design cover for the engine. The cover is fully carbon fiber with a Brabus emblem in the center. And yes, this is based on the 6-liter V12 of Mercedes-Benz. But now it has 900 horsepower and way over 1200 Nm of torque. From 0 to 100 km an hour in only 3.3 seconds. So you can really expect the front of the hood to lift while accelerating. The top speed is way over 200 km an hour. So let's close the bonnet. And guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the G900 Brabus edition, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.